What is archaeology? Marshal!
If our lesson for today is about archaeology. So, therefore, archaeology is our lesson for today.
Correct! See that? He did not only study our lessons in archaeology, he also studied his lessons in logic. Huwag ka munang uupo, Michael. Sapagkat alam kong ikaw lang ang pwedeng sumagot sa aking susunod na tanong. Bago namatay si Jose Rizal, sino ang babaeng kanyang pinakaiibig?
Sir, si Huling.
Sinong huling?
Huling, yung babaeng inibig ni Jose Rizal bago siya namatay. Ginawa niya pa nga ng tulayon eh. Di ba, no?
Oo. Tama, sir. Tama.
Sino ang huling?
Huling paalam, sir.